Good morning, everyone. It is February 8th of 2026, and I apologize for not keeping up to date with a lot of these videos. Uh, the reason behind that is because of two things. I've been slowly transitioning back into my IT consultant role for a company, and I've been studying quite a bit. And number two is that the market has just been absolute garbage. And the majority of the moves that have taken place have happened within the first hour or the first 160 candle. And the people who have shown up for the Discord channel and who have traded that with me, they have they've benefited from it a ton because there are a lot of great traders in there, and we've all been sharing our thoughts as far as what we feel could happen. And Friday played out, especially in UDOW. If you look at UDOW here, and this is one of the things that I do early in the morning. I grab a hot cup of coffee, and then I like to kind of just have my time and collect thoughts as far as, what's the trend, first of all? That's the first thing you always have to ask yourself. What is the trend? What are the bigger time frames telling you? And kind of just, you got to kind of have a forward thinking, patient process. And what do I mean by that? Well, if you look at where we are here in all this, let's just take UDOW. You can see right out of the gate, we shot up 2 up for the year, which also meant the quarter and the month went higher as well. Because I mean, these three, everything resets going into the new year. And once they did that, this is what that looks like. Here's the first candle in January, and you can see we went 2 up immediately. And how does that correlate to this? Well, here we go. 2, 1, 2, 2. And once we went up here, uh, the talk in the Discord was they have to keep buying it and have enough conviction in order to take it higher. But at the same time, we looked at this and said, okay, we did what we needed to do here. We took out these 4 candles and moved higher. So we broadened, right? That's the broadening formation that Rob talked about. And then once we got up here, there was no more conviction to take it higher. So we had to set it up in order to take it higher again. And look, right here, this took 3 weeks to do that before they shot it up on the 4th week. Same pattern here, right? We went higher, we broadened, and then we pulled it back for 3 weeks. And then we went up and through. Now, the amazing thing about all this is that when the market gets erratic, is that you start to have these wild price moves. And yesterday or Friday did not disappoint because I mean we went up almost 1,200 points, and this is what it looks like on a 2-year chart on the daily. And you can see right here, if I just pull this back, this was the previous high. And look at this chop box that we formed right there. This was all that consolidation. And you can definitely see it here in the week where we were just chopping sideways and just resting in order to get this move. So the real question is on Monday, are they going to continue to broaden this up through here? Or are they going to retest the 63, 62 area and bring it right back down? Now, I'm not going to go through everything on here. I just wanted to share with you what we talked about UDOW going in. And I got long right about right here, guys. When we started to get above the 10 here and up, I took this trade. We talked about it in the Discord. But until then, I mean, we were just trading quick moves all through here. And that is why you have to learn the difference between a trending market and a choppy market. This is a very choppy market right here. You can see that price action has gone nowhere. This is a trending market, and then this is a chop right here again. So once you learn how to do that, And it takes time. It's not something that you just say, oh, gee, I think I'm just going to pick this up today. It takes time, it takes guidance in order to understand that when they shake everyone out through here, they want everyone, and I mean everyone, to believe that the whole market is going to burn. All right, I hope this video helped. If you have any questions, please feel free to comment. And if you're just learning how to trade the strat, or if you are just getting into trading, I cannot stress this enough. Surround yourself around people who have been doing it for a very long time, and they can explain to you how to block the noise. And there is a lot of noise out there. All right, until then, take care and God bless.